Okay. Oh, now I see. Cross the wire, pull the truck up, to make it come out and go in. Pretty smart dude right here. Now he gonna move up a little more. He gonna move up a little more. That's gonna give him a little bit more room. Let's zoom in on this. I see how he got it. Okay, he got the wire going through here, going up there. And this is smart tow truck driver right here. This best. Smart tow truck driver right here. No key. No starting. No nothing. He getting it out of here. Now, this is smart tow truck driver right here. Man. Straight out of the garage. No key. No key. Can he get this car out of this garage with no key? I think he gonna do it. Now he gonna release the cable from that hook. Looks like he gonna get it up there. Straight out of the garage with no key, okay? Oh, he might have messed up the bumper a little bit, but he got it out of here. From the side, okay? This tow truck driver got this car out of here with no key, out of the garage, from the side, okay? Oh yeah. See, now he can drive out a little bit. Look at it, slid it straight right on. Out of the garage with no key. Best tow truck driver in the world, man. Peace. I'm out.